Hello everyone, my name is Anjali and today I'll be discussing about lines, ray, line segments and type of lines for the class 6th. So before discussing about the lines, I want to discuss about the points. What are points? It's a fixed location and it represents the exact location of an object. It doesn't have any size and the point has no length, breadth or height. So in this picture it is showing the point A. This picture represents point A, point B and point C. It's a fixed location of anything. Second one is ray. So what is a ray? Ray is a part of a line that has fixed starting point and extends forever in only in one direction. So in this picture I can show you, like in the AB, A is a fixed point and it can extend in B direction. It can extend in B direction indefinitely. So that represents the ray, and the symbol for representing the ray is AB and one arrow above the AB. That is a ray. So what are the second one is line segment, or we call it as a segment. So it's a part of a line that has two fixed endpoints and which cannot extend further than points C and D. So in this picture, the C is fixed point and D is fixed point, and we cannot extend. It cannot extend further than point C and D. That is called a segment CD, and we can represent it with this symbol. This represents the segment. Third one is lines. So what are lines? Line is a set of points that extend forever in two directions. Forever in two directions. Ray can extend it only in one direction and it can extend in two directions. So in this picture, AB is representing the line and it can extend in this direction indefinitely, and this can extend in this direction. So AB, we can represent it both a line above the AB and which represent the both side arrows, that are called as lines. So and another way of representing the line is we have one line and with a single letter we can represent it. That is also another way of representing the lines. I hope it clears to you. So now I am going to discuss the type of lines. I am going to discuss the three types of line. First one is the intersecting lines, and second one is the perpendicular line, and third one is the parallel lines. So first I am going to discuss the intersecting. So what are intersecting line? Intersecting lines are AB is intersecting to CD. Suppose the intersecting point is O. Okay, and these lines are called intersecting lines. They are intersecting at point O, and the angles, I am giving them name. Angle 1 here, angle 2 here, angle 3 here, and angle 4 is here. So you can see here angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. What they are called? They are called vertically opposite angles. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4 are called vertically opposite angles. And the way of representing the sign of representing the intersecting line is a cross. Second one is perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines are AB is meeting the CD, so they are forming the 90-degree here. They are forming the 90-degree here. So those are called perpendicular line, and the sign for this are AB is perpendicular to CD, and they are forming 90-degree here. Okay. Third one is parallel line. A line is perpendicular to AB line is perpendicular to CD line, and they never meet each other. And the sign for the parallel lines are AB is parallel to CD line, and the example for the parallel lines are railway track lines. I hope it clears to you till now. We are going to do now some examples. Draw and label each of the following. So xy, it is a segment. X and y, it is showing the segment, line segment. K and L, it is a K and L. K is a fixed point. I told you in the previous slide that the K is a fixed point and it can extend in L direction. so it's a ray, and PQ is a P and Q is a line. So this is a P, this is a Q, and these both can extend in P and Q direction. Okay, point A is fixed location. It's a point A. Line N, I told you we can represent a line with single letter N. Okay, and the BC, line BC is parallel to FG. BC is parallel to FG. These are parallel lines. BC is parallel to FG. I hope it clears to you. Some more examples. Name each of the following. So this one, A and B, it's a is a fixed point and it can extend in B direction, so it's a ray. C and D, they both can extend in both the directions, so it's a line. And E and F, it's a fixed point, both are fixed points, so it's a segment or line segment. I hope it clears to you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and comment my channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.